Welcome back to Word Ocean English. Simple English conversation meeting by chance in a park.
Hey. Oh, wow, is that you?
Hey, yes, it's me. What a surprise.
I didn't expect to see you here. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I come to this park sometimes to relax. What about you?
Same here. I was just taking a walk and enjoying the weather.
It's really nice today. Perfect for a walk.
Yeah, I agree. By the way, are you busy tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Not really. Why?
I was thinking maybe we could meet again. There's a small cafe near here.
Oh, that sounds good. I like that cafe.
Great! How about meetings there tomorrow afternoon?
Sure, that works for me. What time?
Maybe around 4 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll see you there.
Awesome. I'm glad we met today.
Me too. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a nice day.
Practice this conversation every day. You can speak English confidently. Like, comment, subscribe.